Good evening, everyone. Thanks for waiting. Just walked in. I was about to eat dinner, but I remembered I had to run this video. All right, we're going to go live here. All right, guys, we're live for the Detective 359. You have a time of 7:30 here. 7:31, 7:31. We just flipped over. Here we go. We have 126 items on our list here. There's one all the way through 126. There's your time again, 7:31. Okay, so we're already live and we're ready to go. Detective 359, 3.0. We're going to roll the dice, 3 dice rule, and here we go. 8. On 1, 2, 3. Everyone, good luck. 4, 5, 6. And your winner will be... Congratulations, Howie Green. You've been looking for a win. This is a good book to get your win. Congratulations, Howie. I'll have this out for you. We're going to go down and we're going to scroll down, and there is your SNIRUH. There's your verification code. We have a local time of 7:32 p.m. 7:32 p.m. Double check here, 7:32 p.m. And we are done. Congratulations again. Real quick. Bam. There you go. Thanks, guys.